Chama Wontumi hu ye ne hi wo government mu asofo no bi okwohwe Owusu Bempah mu a mo kasa nia no mo ni age nti no Wontumi say there are people who are happy because mo mia no. My fear is the politicians are mo sese mo ho NDC say mo ye MPP politicians no omo so ba power mo yim biu and Sami Jefi wo de wo first day na NPP be ba power no pa 10-20 years time that time when you sika poto ho no bo say be ka to say Sami Jefi bra wo so you suspect o and I wo de gold no be ko tu no heaven no de aba heaven no be ko akofa gold aba.
Abusiafo ne obi a ehwe nim se lawyer Maurice Ampaw ede na no ba betu chema Wontumi saga ya chese eje entere ha e wo LearningGhana ma chese nya asem ketuwe eno nam so ameda sori ye dia and ye hwe be lawyer Maurice Ampaw abekasa ede afa no de oba no se woni de onim se ira John Dramani Mahama ene Rev Owusu Bempah ena aka bo ma chese ompese omudi chema Wontumi enya aburo anaso Wontumi di na enya brasem se na we die na mi say Rev Owusu Bempah edin ebeye den lawyer Maurice Ampaw wo pe wa asoma kan we die ukobo Rev Owusu Bempah din ewo mu enesen lawyer Maurice Ampaw ede ensembebe na eno beka ede fa san semia ekoso ede fa chema Wontumi ehun odafo yentia lawyer Maurice Ampaw embra ye kwa kwoti no na make am for tap send ede ama so wam no ne na so say ni ska de abaga na fa mobile bank account na say zp kwa app store na say play store no ko download the tap so promo code about the TV fashion yen bonus en kan wa yen so hwe midofpa yentie lawyer Maurice Ampaw no nsem ode betu dwa de fa chema Wontumi
no it will come from my child be fiaba presidency number 1 number 2 obi chema Wontumi hu ye ne hi wo government mu asofo no bi okwohwe Owusu Bempah mu a mo kasa nia no mo ni age but say okay na me and you know Wontumi say there are people who are happy because mumiano na no yedin and no dey so there life obi anu yedin obi anu yedin o dey say so nkum ni panko ade anu bye bye enye sanka anya no anu yedin anka MPP NDC mu ba power o dey anu dey na ba power atim the DNA in kwasi akeka o dey say nti Chema Wontumi say ono no so kana na dwen a bo kum nipa. But you see, say, case against Noah. You should not so. But this mafia, no, me, there's no police station. Me, criminal cases. So you name out, we can't allow. One person more people there. Obama the bail are very hard. Obama the bail are very excessive. What the bail are hard, difficult to fulfill. Until Umar Bernard say 2 sureties, all to be justified. Jesus Christ. Court, judge, cry. Yeko court. We know the policy about bail in Ghana. Say Ghana, the Supreme Court have said that every offense is bailable. Into offense be a bail. If you murder, you bail nipa. And now be bailing so. Look at certain factors. Me ma bail ni ding into court. Every judge is guided by the principle, directive principles, criminal procedure act, and the constitution that the accused person is presumed to be innocent. Therefore, do everything possible to make that innocence ensure. But currently, what we are doing is that you crucify Chema Wontumi as an accused person. The state's allegations in the you say, why my man on court, ya chick on 4. Yenji de japadi infini sem yemboni yem obedwane into no the post and say man the bail are own to be fulfilled efeso 2 my another when he say obeto mama no ade na court what the court ade be say so the case is 10 na o the court ade ba kwa akọ ya man the bail na wasa che no into no o de no bail na wa che no into court bail na ya che no. And that is only what NDC is trying to do. It tells you, say, there is something we call malice. Oh, I say I dream into no me case is 10, no meaning in the apreko. Into say if you yoko, na CID, na NIB, into if you do table never cost charge, it amount to me a big man court big down and that and it will continue. That is exactly what you can see doing. And you see, when you do these things, which the next government will show the answer. And you see, my fear is that if investigative bodies, to me, unreasonable, to me, very wicked, very treacherous and vindictive, then what is going to happen is that even unye body biano bi kodi is a body go so a obi ko ka say oh why you say ya okoya na bele de be ma wono that's where my fear is, because say no allegation bia what the beto so uko investigative bodies, these Shraj, uko Yoko, uko CID, uko special prosecutor, they the boss say come you better that one year. So if this is what we want, we will get it. And another way so I will be delay and say judges will be one so or person or punish you na ordinary bail. Oh yeah, bail application. Oba ni say me they go and make a form application and serve the Attorney General. Who serve the Attorney General? You to me no cobra. There, you make bail application or judge make it say or mark 2 weeks for ruling. There is about Monday. We are masters of the game. You know. There's no Supreme Court judge. Top ni mo ni agro. Ni mo di agro. The Supreme Court judges no more honor. All the Supreme Court judges, apart from Bafo Boni, most of them we are my personal friends. So we know the game. We are friends of lawyers. We are friends of judges. The judges say di agro. The judges are we know how they think. We know they are thinking. If the country, the Ghana Bar Association is quiet because we could be able to say you may be did at them, and the police have done what they have done. The police say the woman who's your lawyer. It's no you're very sensitive. What they are saying. It's no about reasonable bill, but Remo actually who's on your lawyer. Oh no, you deal with him. Or because or say Magdank or Ububu ni say. The property being is in pain. Into no, we say Chama Wontumi na ode no ho aba abewoso. But my fear is that say power change. Now if you say if no say my din no, if no Ghana nia no, mukọ so anye din. Because in person power be change. Na obi nso ye to safro say obra. CID na Yoko, me lawyer Ampaw me come speak tell Yoko, power change na dey wan be Yoko a. Me no be for Yesu Christo aba. Yesu be condition no make just say friend say justification here for Yesu and above Michael embra no mejinimu. O ti ase enti no be because oh and this mu because oh amumre ni oh mumre ni mundi mani oh ni pa di we ni na ba Yoruba to any se mo na to ah mo nye mumiemu munye Ghana for munya Chief Justice yem pamno oh no ma pamno mama ya oh mama to me no abedi say mo 4 years enti yenya NDC you can do your worst. What I say hey Chief Justice chama Wontumi pa me money bill mo to me kurukura munkunu wo sell so munkunu mu mani wu mo wi MPP for so no mo for say party mungu party no mo fa Ghana you ase mo mobo. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. But I'm sad say President Mahama second coming no, I thought that he wanted to have a legacy. The first thing is that Obe fighting corruption. Previous government, Obe taking up the matter up, but Obe fair. And instead of refusing to bail at invasive body, why don't you present them to the court? Now court no mundile. Now people will start because when all rana moteno. It is first punishment in here, basically body. Any for the bubu, and will be a remember the bubu. And I'm saying, I dep Mama. May be there no, made himself to me. Say, Siano, National Cathedral, and I saw for no so beba. I saw for no, a bar, most of your bossa. Now, Mudina for bill. Oh, they say, and my worry is that I bet to be so. And MPP for more international say we move say chama Wontumi, but the agenda in this day bano we be not party we gunu obi biara na no yedin apart from Lawyer Ampaw me say you can't handle me and this can handle me because me I'm feeling Bible say they come Bible say obonefo no bo but all bano the fee ni me ho. Me to me kwam ya he. Me a lawyer Ampaw 57 years of my life. Me nya benjuma da. Me dia ban sika da. Me nya government appointment da. What you say? And I me politicians enya danfo. And I mean so me kasa na me trans me kasa me to bomb na. What you say? Me wo legal brains. It be me a bit too far. What you say? Intimidate bia wo soro me so abetu nsu kunim. Intimate NDC4 me no money problem. I don't have a personal problem with them. I can mingle with them, but my fear is the politicians are more the way NDC say more MPP politicians no. Almost ba power me yimbu. And Sami Jefi, wo the first day na NPP be ba power no pa 10-20 years time. So that when you see capital. And who no boss e be catch say Sami Jefi bra. Also you suspect you. And I would there gold no be could tunu heaven. No they about heaven no be akofa gold aba. That is how the diabolic the thing is. There's not be so no. And the current judges now more hono. Judiciary no so no the way are more mama NDC are politicizing the judiciary no. They say the respect, the dignity, the independence is gone. We want to konu. Muyina MPP will not endorse any new chief justice. MPP as a party no. And the Ghana Bar Association will never endorse any new chief. And chief justice Samuel Fano, about NDC chief justice, who will come now. That is chief justice a whole bar, a whole political party, opposition lead, the large opposition is not recognizing you. Ghana Bar Association is not recognizing you, and some Ghanaians also feel that you have a part of the political agenda. That is my worry, because now judges were very powerful. They were not political, but currently what is happening? People think that Tokunu, but Tokunu will be vindicated. It's a matter of time. The Tokunu suspension and removal, and the you know better to judiciary now. The judges in this country, they be mobile, must be mobile rough, because you don't know who is going to target you when there's a change of government. Into Supreme Court judges now, you will not be safe. The security of tenure will be shaken from the Supreme Court, Court of Appeal, High Court. Judges' tenure of office will be an issue to deal with. And my fear is that if you run this country the way we are going, when would that stop? I thought say nka baby you do no Royce buy obeye bi gidi kufo buy no ono so buy no obeye vengeance kakra deny Royce opportunity kufo koye no Atamis buy no ono so be bi Mahama so buy be bi Nanado so ba be bi the same thing you know. Because that bend that the big guys I don't know. That's my worry. Because Mahama Kofi in 4 years time. Now so bana obeye niya o complaining say no. When you were in position, you say, oh, the judges were biased. The NPP is packing the court.
Abusi afane nsama odo lawyer Maurice Ampaw edebetu dwa ene ekone kuti. Message of us afa comment eto ase. Unso shana kata afaso se ne obi asbet maka video. Midi di apna o some of my crime be sen share epi.
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo se ni sika bane e de awie ni project no. Eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem.
Enemre mu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de
Tap send here easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy any say.
Chine say won't call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who you cases here. ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now de sika kogu wallet no anase mpo ubetimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase uba o my Ghana mu watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana haydo
sa pepe se si tap send that trena shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no